Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on Facebook Messenger without them knowing. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. When you are on the home screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the three lines menu icon. This will open up a new page with many options. From here, look for the option called Find Friends and tap on it. Now, you will see a list of your friends. You can use the search bar at the top to make it easier. Type the name of the friend you want to block and then tap on their profile once you find it. This will open up their Facebook profile page. Once you are on their profile, look toward the right-hand side of the screen. You will notice three dots. Tap on these three dots to open more options. From this menu, you will see the block option. Tap on block and then confirm when the pop-up message appears. When you block a person on Facebook, they are automatically blocked on Messenger too. This means they will not be able to send you messages, call you, or see when you are active. Thanks for watching.